we need to remember, first of all, that we are a point of consciousness in the planet, in the universe, or even a field. So a point or a field. And I remember realizing that it's like, if I just imagine, I close my eyes, I imagine the whole universe. I, little Anna, exist in that huge universe of which I know mostly nothing about, right? And it's such a different perspective. It's like, I have a place. I have a place in the vast universe. I have a place on the planet. I have a place in my community. I have a place in to live my purpose. I feel that for me is the biggest shift to start with, that you're worthy because you exist.